In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a checkbox in Google Docs. We'll go step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to quickly create clean, interactive checklists for things like to-do lists, project tasks, or shopping lists, all inside a regular Google document. First, go ahead and open Google Docs. You can either create a brand new document or open an existing one where you want your checklist to appear. If you're starting fresh, it can help to type a short heading at the top, like tasks for today or shopping list, just so your checklist has some context and is easier to scan later. Once your document is open, take a look at the toolbar along the top of the screen. This is the rail with options like font, text size, alignment, and so on. You're going to look for the checklist button that sits near the line and paragraph spacing options. It usually appears as a small icon with checkboxes stacked vertically, indicating that it will turn your text into a selectable checklist. Move your mouse to that toolbar and find the area around line and paragraph spacing. That icon controls how much space appears between lines of text. Right next to it, or very close by, you should see the checklist icon. If you're not sure you found the right one, you can hover your mouse over each icon and wait for the small label to appear. When you see a label that says checklist, you've found the right button. Now, click once where you want your checklist to start in the document. This could be right after your heading or anywhere else you'd like. With your cursor in place, click the checklist button in the toolbar. As soon as you do this, a new checklist item will appear in your document with an empty checkbox at the beginning of the line. This is your first checklist entry. Type your first list item, such as reply to emails, finish report, or buy milk. Once you've finished typing that first item, press enter on your keyboard. Google Docs will automatically create a new line with another empty checkbox ready for your next item. You don't have to click the checklist button again. It continues the checklist for you as long as you keep pressing enter. Continue typing each item in your list, pressing enter after each one to generate a new checkbox. If you reach the end of your list and don't want any more checkboxes, simply press enter twice. The first enter continues the list, and the second one will drop you out of checklist mode, returning you to normal text. One nice feature of these checkboxes is that they are clickable. At any time, you can click directly on a box to mark an item as done. When you do, Google Docs will place a check mark inside the box and usually apply a strike-through style to the text, making it clear that the task is completed while still keeping it visible for reference. That's all you need to add a checkbox in Google Docs. Open your document, click the checklist button near line and paragraph spacing, and then type your list items, pressing enter to move from one item to the next. Once you've set it up, you'll have a simple visual way to track progress directly in your document.